Food processor optional. 1 3/4 cup flour. 1 stick butter cold. Cut and butter with fork. Pastry cutter optional. 3 ice cold tablespoons. Mix together. Avoid overworking. Flour the table and pin. Roll out dough 1/8 inch thick. Cut out into a square. Cut into strips about 1 inch thick. Spread layer of preserved homemade jelly works well. Roll up, place on parchment. Brush with butter for extra flavor. Oven at 375, bake 15 minutes. Look for it to be golden brown. 1/3 cup powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon milk if you'd like some icing on top. Pour over